Hello again. Will Henry here with the One Solution Group, Extru-Tech, with another insightful episode for our ET Media. Quite often, with both new potential clients and existing clients, we are asked about our capabilities outside of extrusion diagnostics, product development, and other aspects of what is perceived to be our core business. A little known fact, though, is that our portfolio includes a quite broad experience range in every aspect of pet, stock feed, food, and industrial products. And it's not always focused on extrusion. And the typical response we get is, well, I wasn't aware you had those capabilities. So today, since it's 10 degrees Fahrenheit outside with 30-mile-an-hour winds, we decided to focus this episode on one of those diversified capabilities. So food safety, a sub-function of food safety systems, is the execution of the on-site verification, which contains multiple performance exercises performed on commercial production equipment that then allows us to ensure that the client is operating their equipment in a similar fashion as their validation study. So what you see in our lab today is the preparation and analysis of those collected samples. The primary focus, and again we're looking at the preconditioner, is on retention time, moisture, and temperature, the three most common factors we look at for food safety analysis. Moisture and temperature are easy. With the retention time, and specifically again the preconditioner, we simply acquire a steady state of operations with the client's most at-risk diet, and we charge the system with a measurable tracer material. We then begin sampling at the PC discharge every 10 seconds for 3 times the expected retention time. We then bring those samples back to our facility here and process them to acquire both moisture and concentration of that tracer material. By then taking and graphing those concentration levels over time, we acquire a precise model of residence time distribution and the average retention time. With the moisture samples, we're able to acquire our coefficient of variance, or CV, that goes to prove their mixing efficiency and consistency. All this data combined then allows us to determine if, in fact, that the client is operating their process to produce a safe quality product. Food safety was actually the initial and primary function of the 1SG facility here in Manhattan, Kansas. By executing both generic and customer-tailored scientific validation studies, we've helped a large part of the pet food industry secure their food safety systems and secure their production of safe quality pet food offered in today's market. So with that, that concludes this latest episode. If you have any questions, always do not hesitate to reach out to any of us on the team, and stay warm.